Hello everyone, my name is Lian. On this video, I'm going to introduce vowel sound with you when speaking English. Are you ready? Number 1. E. E. For example, please feel free to ask me. Geometer. Number 2. E. E. Example, I'd like to give her a bunch of flowers. It's very wonderful of you. Number 3. Oh, oh. Example, that book look good. I took it from Luke. Number 4. Ooh, ooh. Do you prefer school or the movies? School. Number 5. Eh, eh. Example, let's get more bands. Which band's the best? Number 6. Oh, oh. Hey man, I'm getting married. I'm so glad to hear that. Number 7. Oh, oh. The later the better. No, the sooner the better. Number 8. Oh, oh. Example, it's a turn to field the bird. My turn again. Number 9. Oh, oh. Example, the boot the wrong thing again. Sorry, it's all my fault. Number 10. Oh, oh. Example, Tom, put it on top a book. Yeah, I got it. Number 11. Oh, oh. For example, hurry up, I'm coming. And at last, ah, ah. Example, you are so smart and hardworking. No argument here. Thank you for listening to me. And goodbye for now. See you again.